Very interesting. You said COVID-19 may never go away. So let's keep people isolated and masked. I will submit these for the record. COVID-19 may never go away as a way to keep people locked up inside, keep people out of schools. In my state, in my city, Cleveland, Ohio, we closed our schools for 18 months. You look at why we have youth violence today, you draw a straight line right to those decisions during COVID. That wasn't a virus that made those decisions. Those were elected officials that decided that control of people was more important.
Virus di luar rumah, dalam rumah dia tak masuk. Rakyat ketakutan. Tak pernah dalam sejarah kita, zaman ancaman komunis, Jepun pun tak macam ni. Seluruh negara ditakutkan. Undang-undang darurat disalahgunakan di mana sekatan pergerakan dibuat. Orang-orang tertentu bebas pula. Mereka yang tolak vaksin COVID dipandang serong, seolah-olah bahayakan yang divaksin, dikenakan tindakan, diasingkan dan sebagainya.